Okay guys, 30th of March 2026. The Raintree in front of this waterworks entrance intake, the one day is now completely removed. Well, that's okay because we need to build a new intake day, and we kind of have a tree in front of the intake because they are constructing more facility. No hope, but there are two versions there. Those next to the road, these trees, some says it's not going to be removed, some says it's going to be removed because they say it's rotten. So we got contradictory reports from our WhatsApp group. So this one we will remove, they said, because it's condemned by the arborists. So looking at this front part here, the stem looks solid, but when we come to the back, apparently there's a cave in here. My cousin found this one with a cave. There's a cave inside. It's really hollow. So the tree is hollow. And this is what is condemned by the arborists, the tree expert, saying this is diseased tree, it may fall and kill people. And then I got another comment from the WhatsApp group saying only this tree will be cut because this is condemned. All the rest are not. So I don't know which one is true. It's conflicting because some of the tree they also appears to be rotting. The tree they also seems to have a rotting stem. This is the so-called sensory tree of Kasigui. Back to this one. Yeah, it got a cave on the other side. We never noticed it from the other side, but there's a cave inside. It's a big hole. Cannot go near to it. Wow, there's a solid cave. Ooh. We can go and live in it. And the dog, even the dog was living in that nice little cave in the hole. Yeah. Oh. So it's a dog home. Alright then. So are you gonna cut this one only or cut all the rest of it? But my comment is the same. You chop all these trees, 5 of them, go and plant 10 new rain trees somewhere else, by the side of the river or in the council ground. That's what you should do, as per Mahathir's circular last time. For every big tree you cut, you should go and plant 2 to replace them. So, council, are you going to ask your contractor again to tree planting and offer another juicy contract just to replant the trees? Or you just get all your top officers to find a seedling and go and replant the trees? No need to appoint your contractor to go and replant trees at 10 times the market value. Okay?